Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office. According to the National Association of Realtors, 63% of home buyers drop by a property after viewing it online. What are they going to see? Those first impressions are so important. Let's talk with local landscape expert designer Lori Jordison from Chicago Gardenworks. And Lori, thanks so much for joining us and showing off this gorgeous property. So Lori, what kind of tips do you have for home buyers or home sellers who are looking to maximize their curb appeal?
Well, one of the main things I think for instant curb appeal is less is more. A lot of times, if the front of your landscape is completely overgrown, you can't see the house, first of all. And it gets intimidating to homeowners that they think they have to take everything out, and it's intimidating. So actually, if you have something that's overgrown, big, weedy, whatever, it's better take it out. It's actually not that expensive to take it out. Other thing is just trimming, cleaning up, weeding, mulching. Edge your beds, make it look nice, make it look clean. I think clean is the key.
Mulch, clean, okay.
So, I mean, those are probably your main thing. Color would help. I mean, you can always add pots to give you a little pop of color. It gives you that, again, a clean, homey feel.
Excellent. Outdoor living spaces are so popular these days. We see all over the TV. So what kind of requests are you seeing from your clients?
A lot of outdoor living spaces. So you've got more, kind of like you almost say an outdoor living room kind of, where you have either, a lot of couches and sitting areas like that, as well as outdoor kitchens that include, you've got your refrigerator and barbecue, the whole thing, or water features even. There's a lot of new water features that are recirculating, and so you don't have to have a huge pond in order to get that water feature feel. So it looks like a built-in thing, but it doesn't have to be a huge thing.
Got it. I love the water features, and you have a nice blue one there that's very peaceful. So if residents know that they're going to stay in their house for a few more years, what kind of projects could they do now that they can enjoy, but will also net them more return when they go to sell?
I think a big one is patio or front walk, even for that matter. If you've got concrete that's cracked, if anything is sloped toward the house, inspectors are probably going to notice that and want you to fix it, right? Well, you might as well have enjoyed it first, for one thing.
Okay.
And you're going to keep your basement dry. But just having that outdoor living space is just so appealing to new homeowners, and it's not as intimidating having that cost of having to replace your outdoor area, when you first move in. So it's already done and enjoyable. So.
Nice. So if you have further questions or you'd like to check out Lori's gallery, check out ChicagoGardenworks.com. So thanks so much, Lori. I appreciate seeing you.
Thank you.
Take care.